This 2026 Lance TC855s is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Lance is 18 feet 0 inches in length and features a Lapis interior, sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, TV antenna, refrigerator, TV, skylight, smoke detector, stovetop burner, external shower, slide out, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Lance TC855s is 3,298 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.